Has your windshield fallen victim to a nasty chip? Our DIY windshield repair kit includes everything you need for a seamless repair, with step-by-step instructions for a professional-grade result without breaking a sweat. Save time and money. Order your DIY windshield repair kit today on royaltyonline.co.za or collect in Erasmia.